today we are celebrating a massive milestone for the channel. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers and I honestly can't believe it. I'm just wanted to make this video because I'm so thankful for everybody who subscribed, everyone who has liked and watched the videos, everyone who's engaging with the channel. It really means a lot. Now, this channel wasn't made for monetization, it wasn't made for a business at all, it's just made for fun. It started off, I wanted somewhere to upload the videos of the camps that myself and the group went on, and it was also a place to kind of upload some videos during lockdown. Now, one of the amazing things that's happened is it took actually maybe 2 or 3 years. It was well after lockdown and COVID had kind of finished, and I'd only hit 500 subscribers, and then the final 500 that got to 1,000 happened in a matter of months. It was incredible. So like I said, it really does mean a lot that you are taking time out of your day to watch some of the videos that I'm putting up. So, like I said, this video is a celebration of that milestone, and part of that celebration is going to be a giveaway. Now, this is the first giveaway I've done for this channel. I wanted to keep it for a big event like the 1,000. I did want to do it for the 500 because even that meant a lot to me, but then someone said, no, wait until you hit that 1,000 because you're going to do it. So I'm glad I listened, because 1,000, I honestly can't believe it, that there's 1,000 people interested in kind of the videos I've got to put up. So like I said, it does mean a lot. So the giveaway I'm doing is for this parachute. Now, many of the people that watch these videos are either interested in bushcraft, because you wouldn't be watching the videos otherwise, or interested in some sort of forest school kind of group, or you're just interested in the outdoors. Those are kind of like the 3 main audiences for this channel. So I thought, well, what is something that is going to interest those people? And I thought, well, you can't get better than a parachute canopy, because these things are so versatile. In any bushcraft organisation that I see, any pictures that get put up on Facebook or Instagram, they've always got a parachute there as one of their kind of canopies if they're sitting around the fire as a group. Also in the forest schools, I know it's a very sought after thing for log circles and having the children underneath it. It means you've got shade when it's hot for the children, but it also means you've got a bit of protection from any rain or any other conditions that might not be great. So it just gives that really nice shelter. It lets some sunlight through. It's not completely pitch black, but it gives that protection. So I thought, what better piece of equipment to offer out on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway than a parachute. Now, this parachute is one of 2 that I actually own, so I'm keeping one for myself, but this one I'm happy to give away to the lucky person who wins this giveaway. I'm going to tell you all about how you can enter that giveaway in just a second. So it is a fantastic shelter. It's very easy to put up. As you see in the video, it just needs a ridge line going across from one tree to another, and then tying out any trees that you've got in a large enough open space. And it is more than sufficient to be able to have a big enough log circle to fit enough people in and still be all underneath the shelter. So how do you enter? Well, it's very straightforward. All you've got to do is two things. You've got to make sure that you're a subscriber to a channel. Many of you already are, but if you are new to the channel and you're watching this video for the first time because it's been shared to you, or if it's on a group, then please make sure you subscribe. Then the other thing is leave a comment telling me how you would use the parachute. Whether you want to tell me about its intended purpose, or maybe you want to tell me about the specific group that you've got set up, or something that you want to start doing, whatever you want to comment about how you would use this parachute, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And what I'm going to do, the reason we need to do both of them is so that I can kind of cross-check them. So all of the people in the comments, I'm going to check that they're also a subscriber from the subscribers list, and then I will put those people who have both got the subscriber and the comment into a randomizer draw. So I'm going to put all the names into a randomizer and then let that pick it, because as I'm anticipating that there's going to be a lot of stories out there that I want to give this parachute to, so I don't think I'd be able to make that decision myself, so I'm going to leave it up to a randomizer. But all you've got to do is just make sure that you're a subscriber and you've got a comment underneath, and then if you have got those two, then your name will be put into the draw. So the winner is going to be announced in a few weeks' time. I want to give this video enough time to kind of circulate around, and so that enough people have a chance to see it and to enter. So all the best to all of you. I wish you the best of luck entering the competition. And once again, just thank you for being a part of this channel, watching these videos, taking part. It really does mean so much to me.